My Kalanik, this is lab 6, BJT transistors. We have two circuits here. Circuit for part A and B, which helps us, where we use resistors to control how much current is going through different parts of the circuit. And then the circuit for part C, which works as an amplifier and an inverter. For part A and B, we can get our measurements for the different types of different currents going through different parts of the circuit. So here we have a potentiometer with a value of about 0.9 kiloohms. So if you measure it here, you can see that we get about 1.4, and that's with a current or a voltage source of about 5 volts. And then you can also see the value for that was for the potentiometer value, and then here's our other output value where we get about we get about 1.6 through that resistor. And then so from there we can go to our part C circuit. We just have to switch voltage source to this circuit. So now that we have this circuit powered with 5 volts here, negative 2 volts here, and we have a waveform generator of about 10 kilohertz. We can go over here and see our different sweeps for the amplifier, the amplifying and inverter. We have our
You didn't turn on the wave gen.
So now that the wave gen's on, you can see that this is our input wave, and then our output is inverted and has and is amplified by a factor 2. And there's a DC offset as well, which just comes from the BE value from our circuit, VBE, which is about 0.7 volts. And then the gain is for this part of the circuit over here is negative 2. And then for our network sweep, you can see over here from about 10 kilohertz to 3 megahertz, our value stays up and then starts to go negative over here because the circuit can't keep up with the level of the data coming, or it can't refresh itself enough during its operation.